Have you been looking for an organization that provides a professional ICT solution? Or you need experts to install cameras or other ICT devices in your company? You don't have to go far. We are here and closer to you. Salcom Technology. Salcom Technology is a one-stop provider of ICT solutions and services to SMEs and NGOs. We are a team of well-trained, skilled and experienced professionals with a verifiable industrial certification. We offer excellent services to our customers and look forward to satisfying their needs. Salcom Technology offers services such as CCTV installation, video conferencing solution, IP-PBX. We also provide utmost protection and security for your CCTV cameras from hackers. We supply businesses with professional IT services. We make sure your company is safe from fraudsters and the likes. We are loaded with experiences as we have offered services to top organizations, such as Prudent Energy and Services Limited, DANTATA and SAWOE Construction Company, eTransact. We are unique and we provide unique service to our clients. We fulfill our slogan, which is Solution, Innovation, Quality. Salcom Technology is located at 3, Alori Street, Ira Akari Isolo, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. You can also call us on 0818-259-6155 or 0805-411-4995. For more information, check through our email, info@salcomtechnologies.com, or our website, salcomtechnologies.com. Salcom Technology, we are reliable. Thank you for watching.